Hello everybody, welcome to Digital Painting and Photography channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this original image. This is the one I shot a long time ago, and then I made this colorized image yesterday, and I have this pencil drawing type image, 3 images today, and I want to make something illustration type of image today. Well, let's get started. Okay, this is the original image, and let me change names. Alright, now I want to see this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, well, today I'm gonna make some kind of illustration type of image, so I want to see this pin light, just like this kind of image. That's what I'm going to try to do. Pin light, to get some nice pastel color, I want to use this luminosity is fine. This color. I'm going to make it a little bit more dark colors. So first of all, not just pin light. I don't know, this is good too compared to this, and well, we got the colors. Then pencil drawing type of image. Which one? Well, pin light 50%. Let me compare this. Now first, I'm gonna fix this as a one layer, select multiple, 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate layers. Now merge selected. This is pin light effect. Now turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna change this pencil drawing type image. Go to luminosity. Then I'm gonna darken this color later. So now I'm gonna select 1, 2, then merge select. Duplicate layers, then merge selected. This is luminosity effect layer. Okay, now we got luminosity effect layer here. Then I'm gonna darken these colors. Well, compared to this pin light effect image. Yeah, this one, I'm gonna duplicate this original color image. Or, let me see, this is luminosity effect layer. Just turn on this black and white image. Change blend mode to color burn. Goes dark. Tone down. Well, we see now. This is a luminosity effect image, a little bit darkened colors. If I turn this one off, then let's see this pin light effect. Half-tone color image with pencil drawing type image. Well, okay, let's see. Another one I want to compare to see. Instead of this black and white image, move this original color image over this luminosity effect layer. Then tone down to 50. Now I want to compare this image and this pin light effect image. Pin light has more dark lines. This is original image half tone over this luminosity effect layer. Well, which image? Now skin tone. Color wise, I like this original image over luminosity effect layer. Is better than this pin light effect image. Yeah, color wise, make it nice color image. Well, okay. Now this is the original color half tone over luminosity effect layer. Let me change this pin light effect. Change blend mode to luminosity. compared to this normal. I don't know. Touch color contrast up, maybe, but not much. Looks like luminosity effect layer. This one. That's interesting. Pin light effect over this image doesn't change. Exactly same, I think. Yeah, pin light effect. If I change to pin light, effect image is darkened lines, but when you change blend mode to pin light, then looks like halftone image over luminosity effect layer. Well, I gotta write down. I gotta remember this. Okay, now which base color do I like it? Do I like? Well, this one is original image, right? Okay, let me see if I change this original image normal to color burn. It was so much dark, even 40%. Using that, let's see, this original black and white image. This image, this is over luminosity effect layer. Then this one is color to color burn. Now this is pin light effect, so I'm not going to touch this. I was going to see this color burn original image compared to this black and white. This color image, this is much darker, isn't it? Hard to tell. Make print to see both together same time. Otherwise I can't tell. This is too dark anyways. If I just turn it off this, then go up, that's same, almost same. Well, how about this pin light effect layer? Oh, wait a minute. Now I'm going to move this original color image under the luminosity effect layer. It's not darkened yet. I'm going to change this luminosity effect layer, change to luminosity again. It's over original image. This is kind of interesting. Nice color wise. This is a luminosity effect layer, right? But I can't just a touch darken. Turn on this black and white original image. It's 50%. Go down to about 15 or maybe 10. Even so, that's kind of, well, luminosity 65. Okay, now we got the pencil drawing type image here. How about I'm going to change blend mode to darken. Then bring this one up over this original black and white image. Just a touch. How about multiply? Goes darker. Well, I like the effect of the jacket. I'm not using this pin light effect yet. This one is luminosity effect layer, change blend mode to luminosity, opacity 50. Complicated. So many different effect layers combined together. Just over original image, original color image. Now I'm gonna add one more layer, then pick white, fill in this with 100% white, pixel layer. Now create empty mask, hide this white layer with Japanese group to action lines scatter. Nice effect of this texture of the brush. Well, overall image, I'm gonna add one more layer, or let's see, change blend mode to color. Then use brushes basic to soft round opacity. This is only for shadow of this. Now I want to add greenish cyan. I'm going to add one more layer. Let's see, action line scatter, then blend mode is normal. Okay. Yeah, how about this color burn? Well, overall, to a little bit darken this image. Let's see if I add appearances to brightness contrast. Let's see, just contrast up and brightness down just a touch, about 30%. No, a little more contrast up all the way. Yeah, about 80. Well, I guess that's it. That's it for today, and a little bit complicated, but it's not that much. Just make luminosity effect layer to add overlay, and I'm going to delete this pin light effect layer. I didn't use it, just come here to look at it. So I'm going to delete. Now we got this original color image. This is a base image. Then I add luminosity effect layer, change blend mode to luminosity 50% to get this light image. Then I use original black and white image, change blend mode to color burn to darken just a touch overall image. Then add pencil drawing type image, multiply to darken the lines about around here. Then I add white layer mask, white layer with mask. Then I add shadow of the blue, purple color. then this color is background light. This is kind of touch accent, huh? Then overall, I changed the contrast and brightness a little bit darken. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Kind of interesting. I like illustration, like the image. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Good day.